Welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you the tool I use to do the transcription. It is Otter, Otter.ai. And as you see, I'm on my dashboard, and you can record an audio or import a video or an audio file. Usually, recording is done by persons who are doing books, or maybe persons who are putting their thoughts on paper like they talk and they type out what to say. I can show you an example. I am going to the market. I am going to the market. Going to the market. Let me go back to my imports. Okay, usually what you do here is you press import and you browse for a file. Like you will go to your downloads or your document, the downloads folder, and pick the file that you want. I already have a conversation that was transcribed, so I'm going to open it now.
Hello, I'm Craig. I don't know if everybody knows me. Well, I know Oma would have liked her funeral to be very serious and very sad, so I was just going to read the Bible word for word. Hopefully everyone's all right with that.
As you see, it when in the video in the editor, it is transcribed. It transcribed the audio, and I can play it back and see that it matches. So if when I want to edit it, I just press edit button, and then if I can put a comma, if I want to put like the word was spelled wrong, I put HAT. So you can edit on the software. Very easy interface to use. I love it. And then after that, you press share. If you want to share like with collaborators or even with the buyers, I can do it from here. But I don't usually do that because you can share it and give them the link. So what I do, give you this option to export. And the export file you can deliver on a clipboard, text, a document, or PDF or SRT file. As you see, show speaker names, show timestamp. So this is the speaker name, this is the timestamp. Most of the buyers want the timestamp to be included on the transcript. Show images if you have images. It gives you a different lot of options. Combine paragraph of the same speaker. So if it's the same speaker, you just combine it and it gives you a one long thing. And this is just giving me the timestamp. But due to the fact that it was a funeral service, the buyer didn't want anything. He just wanted the transcript. So what I would do is just export it, and it would go into a Word document, and then I would send it off to the buyer. I'm going to show you the pricing of Otter. For Otter, it is free in the basic. And there's a Pro, Business, and Enterprise. For free, record and transcribe live, search and playback recordings, highlight and insert comments, and the private version have a lot more capability. Alright, for monthly, for the free version, I get 600 minutes and it starts roll over. And they have maximum transcription duration per conversation is 30 minutes. So 600 minutes, that is what, 10 hours. So you can do 10 hours worth of audio. If you want more, you purchase it, because I do the 6,000 minutes and I get 4 hours for a maximum transcription duration per conversation. So I can do up to 4 hours for one buyer. And it's that divided, that is 100 hours. And I pay $8.33 per month. So it's very cheap, because even when I look at Timmy is charging 0.25 cents per minute. That is $15 per hour. And with with Otter.ai, I'm paying basically 0.08 cents per minute. That is very reasonable. So if you are doing a lot of transcription work, you can do it. And it is very user friendly. It gives you the timestamp and it gives you the name, and it is very good. And that's why I prefer to use it more than the rest of the other transcription software. So please like and share my video.